Hello, today I'm in Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to set cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Simply press this button to activate cruise control. Now accelerate to desired speed and tilt this button downwards to start cruise control. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, tilt this button upwards. To decrease the speed, tilt it downwards. To pause the cruise control, press cancel button. To start it from the current speed, press res plus button. To start it from the latest speed, press set minus button. To disable cruise control, press this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.